If you want to customize quick settings on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, then in that case you want to go to quick settings over here, and you need to simply tap on this pen icon that we have in the upper right corner. Now in this case we can change the position of these options. We can even make this panel over here bigger or smaller, but we should also be able to scroll down. I actually messed things up right here. But if you press and hold your finger and then drag the panel around, then as you can see we can change the position of these options. Unfortunately, as you can see, there are some issues with the precise change of the position, at least in some cases. But you can easily edit these panels or edit the order. We can also tap on edit over here in order to customize these options that we have. In this section you can find available buttons, so you can choose whichever option should be added into the list. And besides that, we can remove, of course, whatever we have already added by tapping on the minus button over here, or you can press reset on the left side in here at the top in order to restore the default. This section will be restored to default. That's what I'm trying to say. Once you are done, we can tap on done over here. And also we have panel settings where we can switch from the new style of quick settings, where we have quick settings separated from notifications, so the old style where we can have notifications and then quick settings. So in the past you could swipe down to see notifications and then swipe down again to go to quick settings. If you prefer it that way, we can choose it over here. And in addition to that, we have this option, device control and media output buttons, which might be useful to you to show when quick panel collapsed. So in that case, if you actually go to notifications, you will have the device control and media output buttons over there as well. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.